Hi guys, today we're going to be applying silicone around the countertop. People do that just to keep the water from seeping behind the countertop. And materials that we're going to be using today are masking tape and GE silicone caulk. That's for kitchen and bath. This particular silicone under $10 at Home Depot. So let's get to it. Have fun watching it. First thing we did, we put the tape and left the gap approximately a quarter inch, maybe a little less. On one side of the tape went on the countertop and another side went on the tile. And now we're ready to apply silicone. After you put a bit of silicone, you use your finger to wipe off excess material. You don't need to leave much of it in there. You just basically kind of press your finger against that gap and slide it out and remove the material that's left on your finger. Just dispose it. And we do it only one time on both sides. Okay, we're all done with silicone, so now it's time to remove the tape. You do not have to wait for silicone to dry to remove that tape. You do it shortly after you apply the silicone, and the reason you do it right away is because you don't want to pull that silicone with the tape when you remove it. And once you're done removing that tape, you're pretty much finished with your project. We are finished. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. We have new videos coming up almost every week. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.